Welcome back to ZeroDiabetes Zone, where we dive deep into everything you need to know about living a healthy life with diabetes. In today's video, we're uncovering the truth about artificial sweeteners and their impact on diabetes. Are they a safe alternative to sugar, or do they come with hidden risks? Let's find out. So, what exactly are artificial sweeteners? These are sugar substitutes that offer the sweet taste without the calories, or the blood sugar spike that comes with regular sugar. Some of the most common artificial sweeteners include aspartame, sucralose, saccharin, and stevia. But how do they work, and more importantly, are they safe for people with diabetes? One of the key selling points of artificial sweeteners is that they don't raise blood sugar levels, making them seem like a great option for people with diabetes. But is this really the case? Studies have shown that while most artificial sweeteners don't cause a direct spike in blood sugar, some of them may affect insulin sensitivity and gut health, which can indirectly impact blood sugar control over time. It's important to note that not all sweeteners are created equal. For example, stevia, which is a natural sweetener, may have a different effect on your body compared to synthetic ones like aspartame. Are artificial sweeteners safe? Now, let's dive into the controversy. There's been a lot of debate over the safety of artificial sweeteners. Some studies suggest they're safe for long-term use, while others raise concerns about potential side effects, including impacts on metabolism, cravings, and even weight gain. Some researchers have even linked certain sweeteners to an increased risk of metabolic syndrome, which is a concern for people with diabetes. So, what should you believe? The truth is, the evidence is mixed, and the effects can vary from person to person. It's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet. Let's weigh the pros and cons of artificial sweeteners for people with diabetes. On the plus side, artificial sweeteners offer a sweet taste without the added calories or direct blood sugar spike, making them a good alternative for those trying to manage their weight or blood sugar. However, the potential downsides include possible impacts on insulin sensitivity, gut health, and the risk of developing metabolic syndrome. There's also the psychological factor. Using sweeteners might increase cravings for sweet foods, leading to overeating. If you're concerned about artificial sweeteners, there are natural alternatives like stevia, monk fruit, and erythritol. These options are generally considered safer and have fewer side effects, but like anything else, moderation is key. So, what's the final verdict? Artificial sweeteners can be a helpful tool for managing diabetes, but they're not without their potential risks. It's all about balance and finding what works best for your body. Remember to consult your healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Let me know in the comments below, do you use artificial sweeteners?